Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6041. This ran from 03-2007 to the 2013. There's a 2ZRE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZRE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC control, single stack factory stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,